All right, today we're going to be talking about graphing linear equations. Now, we talked about this before, but this time I'm going to have more than one equation on a graph, okay? So we'll see what that looks like. The first thing you want to do is make sure your equation is in slope-intercept form. All right, so we're going to put these equations, both equations, in slope-intercept form. We'll start off with the one on the top here. All right, so my main purpose is to put y by itself, right? I got to have y and then the slope and then the y-intercept. Remember that, all right? So let's get y by itself. To do that, we have to move this x, all right, this 7x. Now it's a positive 7x, so I'm going to subtract 7x and move it to this side as well, negative 7x, right? So whatever I do on this side, I have to do on this side. Notice I'm not subtracting 7x from 28. That negative 7x is just going to be by itself. This will cancel out, and I will have negative 14y equals negative 7x plus 28. Now remember, in slope-intercept form, the x goes before the constant. So that's why I put negative 7x in front. And the last step of this problem would be to divide by negative 14, right? Because I want to get that off of my y. So divide everything by negative 14. And you would be left with, that would cancel out, y equals, this would be negative 7 divided by negative 14 is positive 2. I'm sorry, positive 1/2, I should say. X minus, because this is positive and negatives, 2. So I'll rewrite that up here. Y equals half x minus 2. Okay, and if I did this a little fast, just rewind the video and go through it again, and you'll see how I got this, right? Now, let's go to the next one. I have changed my color. I have negative 12 minus 3y, or plus 3y equals negative 9x. Now, I'm going to get this y by itself once again. This time I have to move this 12, or negative 12, and do plus 12. Okay, this will cancel out. I will have 3y equals negative 9x plus 12. Notice how the 12 stays in the back because my x is already in front, right? Now, divide by 3 because I want to get this 3 away from that y. I'll have y equals negative 3x plus 4. Because negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now let's graph these. Here my y-intercept is 4, right? So let's go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. My slope is negative 3, so I should go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. This is a negative slope, right? 1, 2, 3, up, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. So it should look something like this. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. Let's get one more point. And how about one more? I don't care. Let's go right here. All right, that would be my line here. And let's get the red one. The red one would look like this. Negative 2 is my intercept. Right here is negative 2. Don't forget that line there. 1/2 is my slope. So up 1 and to the right 2. Be right here. Up 1 to the right 2. Be right here. And we can just go ahead and make that line. And you can see that there is an intersection right here. And we're going to talk about that intersection tomorrow. All right. Just notice how I graph both lines on the XY coordinate, right? On the coordinate grid. And I noticed that I have a plane or a solution for my example, I should say. My intersection will be a solution. I'm going to talk more about that tomorrow. But for today, I want you guys to realize how to put it in slope intercept form and how to graph it. This should be a review for everybody.